Our objectives are in problems 4, 5, and 6. We need simplest form, identify the discontinuities, and then classify them. So, as we talked about the first couple videos, we have to factor the numerator, and we factor the numerator by factoring out a 3x, and we get x plus 3. If you need more explanation about that, then what you should do is watch the first two videos, because I explained completely how to factor out GCF. But we have discontinuities of here. If the denominator is 0, then that's undefined. The fraction is undefined when the denominator is 0, and the only number that would make the denominator 0 is if x is equal to 0. And then we cancel that factor, so it's removable. And we also cancel the factors of 3, and so all we're left with here is x plus 3, y equals x plus 3 over 1, and we don't have to write the over 1. There you go. The numerator here can be factored x minus 6 times x plus 2. Denominator is x plus 6 and x plus 2. So we have discontinuities. I'll write it red to be consistent. Discontinuities at x equals negative 6 and positive 2. Let's do it over here so we can, x equals positive 2. So actually I'll do colon there. So x equals negative 6 does not get removed, but the x equals negative 2, so x plus 2, that factor gets removed. So we're going to call it a removable discontinuity. Oh, sorry. That should be an x equals negative 2. You probably knew that already, and you're waiting for me to make that correction. That's an x equals negative 2. And so that is removable, though, because the x plus 2 factor got canceled. And so the negative 6, x plus 6 didn't get canceled, so it's a non-removable discontinuity. And rewriting the fraction in simplest form, we have f of x equals whatever didn't get canceled up on top and whatever didn't get canceled down below. And we are done with that one. For number 6, we have, again, if you want a full explanation, watch the second video if you're really still struggling with how to factor these guys here. We have 2x to the third, which is the greatest common factor, and what we're left with is x squared plus 3, double checking, 2x to the fifth plus 6x cubed. Yep, so we got that one right. And then down below here we can factor out a 9x, and we're left with x minus 2. X equals 0 will make the denominator 0. Discontinuities, we have x equals 0, and we get to cancel that, so we're left with x squared up on top, and so that's a removable discontinuity. And then also we have x equals 2, which is non-removable. We didn't remove the factor of x minus 2, so therefore the number 2, the discontinuity of 2, is non-removable. So rewriting this fraction in simplest form, we have a 2x squared multiplied by x squared plus 3, and then down below we have a 9 that didn't get canceled, as well as an x minus 2. So we squeeze that baby in there and we're good to go. That's it.